guys, so welcome back to another video. It's been a while, but we're transitioning to bikes. No, I'm just kidding. Not fully, but we'll try it out. If you guys like it, we'll do a big build on this thing. So it's 2000 Road King Police Edition. Police.
This thing is shiny.
So today we're doing the LED light conversion. Right there. We're gonna start with the big light. I gotta look in there. Oop, it's moving already. And just take these screws off. You got 4 of them. Yeah, 4. Yeah. I don't know. I didn't even look anything up on this build. I'm just going as we see it. We're just gonna do it.
Makes sense.
Is this like an adjuster? See, I don't even know what I'm doing. That's what I'm just trying to tell you guys. I have no idea what's going on. Alright, well, Sal didn't figure this out. I did.
I definitely
you just click
figured
these
this out.
tabs and then you pull it out. I figured that out.
Totally. So we got it plugged in.
Alright, so we took some stuff apart because this setup is really different. It's not like how you're going to see in other videos. But for now, I got it plugged in just to show you what it looks like. So yeah, that's... should have showed you... Actually, no, I had it running so you guys seen what it looked like earlier. And then that's the high beam.
You're using that.
It came with. This light is made for multiple models. Ours is not compatible.
Basically, what you're going to be doing when you take this apart yourself in your house, you're just going to have to put stuff together and see what happens. Figure it out on your own, kind of. Alright, so there's going to be a spring back here that holds the bottom part of the headlight. Put that on first. And then what worked for us is before putting the screws on, you lined up this little neck right here into the holes, push on it, screw it in. So now we're just going to be adjusting the headlight and then putting the cover back on.
I'm screwing this in to make it level because it's kind of looking to the left. It's right there.
Next step is
You got like a clamp that holds this chrome piece, and you just kind of do this.
comes out in like 2 pieces right underneath here. And this should just come off.
So it looks like we're gonna have to wire this.
Taking the screws out.
But it should be pretty straightforward, actually. Yeah, that slides out.
Time to fit this baby on.
So now that's the headlight. And then if I hit this button, boom. Show them the before, the other side.
Before, a little old, a little weak.
Before was ugly.
Nice and new.
Not even bright at all.
Alright. Now to be safe, shrink it all in, make it all good. That's how it looks. A lot shinier, a lot nicer looking. This has got to be the next to go, Tony.
What?
Turn signals.
That's fine.
They look lame.
Well, if this video gets enough likes and enough people interested, we'll build this whole thing.
You're right, guys. We want 2 likes. If we get 2 likes on this video, we'll build this whole thing. We might even throw a turbo on the side right here.
If I get enough people interested, yeah, why not?
Fully installed now. Everything's in their place. Looks a lot nicer. Now Tony's going to take it for a ride down the street and back. We're going to see how it looks like at nighttime.
Just like that, we're done. This is the end of the video. I'll do one more startup for you guys. If you guys want to see this build, let me know. We'll do more stuff if you guys really like it. See you guys in the next video.